Good morning, good afternoon, traders. Welcome everyone in the TEFS YouTube trading room. Hi, Andy. Hi, Steve. Nice to see you, Clifton. Good morning, Brian. Hi, Dor. Hi, Arif. Nice to see everyone on a Thursday trading day and with a green SPY again. Look at that, guys. We are up 0.19 and heading maybe for a new all-time high today. Who knows? Let's see what's going to happen. Well, yesterday I had a nice green day. Hopefully you too. Also, I had a shorter day because I had a meeting, but today I'm going to stay a bit longer as I promised. So all of you, I hope you had a beautiful green day yesterday and ready to continue with that green market, which hopefully is just signing us for a green day for today. SPY and Triple Q are in green thanks to some economic news, and I'm just going to talk about it soon. Traders, today it is Thursday, so we still have two full trading days in the competition as well. I wish everyone a huge luck. You still have like 4 days if you're trading crypto as well to prove that you are the best and go for the student account. So good luck, everyone. All right, traders. So let's see what happened on the market. Well, Dow and S&P 500 and Nasdaq set for a cautious start ahead of a retail and jobs data, which since the headline it's released actually. And surprise, surprise, everything is better than expected. So actually, the U.S. first-time jobless claims fall to the lowest level since April. So that's fantastic. Traders, so far seems like that the tariffs are not very much impacting that field either. Hi Lee, nice to see you. Good morning to you. So this is a quite of a nice start for the market on the economic news. So let's see exactly which kind or what kind of data has been released so far. So we got core retail sales, which is better than expected, together with the retail sales. Unemployment claims lower than expected, as I mentioned, you lowest since April. And the Philly Fed manufacturing index, guys, is just showed up like crazy. So as you can see, the bulls are going to be unstoppable again. Also, I must tell you, if we are just going to check a little bit more closer the daily chart on the indices, especially on the S&P 500, which is the leader, indeed, sorry, then this needs to break the 628 area. Mm. So first, okay, my voice is back hopefully. So hopefully today, if the bulls are going to remain so strong, might we will see a break over the 628 level. Yesterday though, if we just go back a little bit, I'm sorry that I'm just going back, but we need to because actually I don't know whether you have experienced this big drop or not. What was this about? Well, it was a statement or let's call it like rumors that Trump wants to fire Powell. But later on, he just retreated on that comment and he told that no, it's not in the plan to fire Powell. So this was the big drop and then a V-shaped reversal to the upside. So this has happened yesterday. So traders, nowadays I'm always telling you that this environment it's very much unstable, as you can see. Any news can drop out of the blue, like for example tariffs news, or we are firing Powell in that hour, and in next 2 hours we are just regret that no, we are not going to. So really everything is so unstable on this market environment, traders, that first of all keep your stop loss on the right place. Second, get your partials. If you have not tried how to be a consistent trader for the long time and you have not experienced it yet, unfortunately, I know that part because I was there, but I started partialing traders. What does it mean? If you are with me on the TEFS YouTube trading channel, you know exactly how I am positioning my or managing my positions and doing my partials. So usually I'm taking 75% around 1 hour. Even if the market is very unstable, I tend to go even earlier. Why? Look at that. This is like just a great example how crazy the market it is since the beginning of 2025, in my opinion. So be careful on that indeed. Hi, Andy. Yes, TSM definitely on the news as well. Sarah Pauta as well. CSX, NVS, ABT, MU, and MP. Thank you. We are just going to check it. Hi, Zainab. Nice to see you. All right, traders. So far, the economic news are really good for the bulls. Also at 10 o'clock, we will get business inventories and even the NAHB housing market index, and later on some FOMC member speakers. Actually, at 10 o'clock, we got Kagler, and 12:45 and 1:30, Daly and Cook going to speak. So we still have this on the agenda for today. So let's see what else in the headlines indeed. GE just got the earnings as well. It's blowout the earnings, so this is a fantastic news indeed. Stock market futures mixed with retail sales snapping back as tariff concerns cool. So this is what we have, as I mentioned you. China may be secretly stockpiling gold. Why that spells trouble for the US dollar? Ouch. Okay, GE Aerospace stock rises to a 25-year high after blowout earnings, as I mentioned you. And Fed's Williams says that the tariffs are pushing up inflation, and he expects even higher prices in coming months. That's definitely not a good news, at least for us, for the ordinary people who are just going to the grocery shops, right? But let's see what's going to happen. International news in the meantime, let's see what has happened. European companies are jumping on the defense bandwagon as EU plans security splurge again. EasyJet is sliding, Sweden's Volvo car shakes up, plans in the US as tariffs bite, and what else in here? Crypto theft is booming as criminals increasingly turn to physical attacks. Ouch, that's not good. In the meantime, crypto is still going up. Regarding the stock exchanges all over the world, Europe ended in green, almost ending indeed. Asia, it's mixed again. Nikkei is higher, Hang Seng is lower, and the futures are nicely in green thanks to this, especially the unemployment claims numbers. And the crypto, as I mentioned you, not the strongest indeed. Ethereum and XRP very strong, but Bitcoin is just lagging behind. This is just hovering around this 118,000 level. Yes, Zainab, what about Tesla and NVIDIA and coin? You know what? Let me just check it and let's see what's happening. Tesla was quite strong yesterday, I must tell you. This was a nice mover, pushed over this 320, and now it is already over this 325 level. I like the fact that finally it's just moving higher and past this 320 level. In this case, I am remaining on the bullish side on the Tesla Zainab. And let's see the coin. Coin, as I mentioned you, the Bitcoin is not the strongest at the moment, but still the coin is up slightly. A bit extended in my opinion. It's a bit annoying that it moved over this 400 level, but it could not stay over the 400 level mark or quite of a stronger resistance. So because of that, it depends on the Bitcoin, of course, and on the market, but might we will see a small pullback. So it's still in a fighting mode around this $400 level, in my opinion. As you can see, it's almost touching the $400 level in the pre-market as well. NVIDIA, well, NVIDIA, in my opinion, it had a huge run. It's still running. As you can see, $172 at the moment. It's very close to the all-time high. If the market stays really green and strong, I assume that this is going to push even higher. And AMD, by the way, it's looking strong as well. It got a price target hike as well. So I'm going to watch both of them to the long side. But again, we need to see a continuation for that. All right, traders, we have a lots of movers. As you know, earnings season is just on with full force. So let's see what are the best ones for today. PepsiCo, I'm going to start with. which is 3% higher after the second quarter beat. So let's see whether PEP, PepsiCo, it is eligible for our long candidates list. It looks very, nice for a consolidation on the daily chart and even a beautiful breakout from that. I really love Pepsi to the long side. Hi, Sebastian. Nice to see you. Okay, traders, if you have any questions, any candidates, please just drop it in the chat. I'm just going to call PepsiCo for the long side first of all, and we will get a short and a secondary list. So next one, Starbucks. This is not the strongest today as it got a nasty downgrade from the Jeffries. Let's see how Starbucks looking like. Also, I must tell you, Starbucks had several news in the recent months. So let's see how does it look like at the moment. It's down 1.91%. I assume if it's breaking the $90 level, this is not going to be the best thing for the bulls at least. I'm going to watch it to the short side. And as I see, even Scott called it to the short side. TSM, as you mentioned as well, this is a nice mover as to the upside as the second quarter profit rose 61%, guys, from the year prior. This is a huge move to the upside on TSM, and I'm just going to move it to the long list. And actually, this is actually as you just asked for the NVDA, Zainab. I think that this is strengthening the semiconductor sector as well. I mean the TSM news, not like ASML yesterday. So I think this can be an extra push for both AMD and NVIDIA, but let's see. So these both are on my list. Aerospace is here, GE Aerospace with GE, which is higher. Let's see for the long side as well. This is a quite of a big mover. US Bank Corporation, which is down because the total net revenue came in 7 billion instead of 7.05. Ouch. So USB can be on the short list as just on Scott's list. Cars.com is here as well, which is 6% higher. Cars upgrade from JP Morgan. Let me just check it on the daily chart, but I think this can be eligible for our long candidates list. Nice, huge move and so on, but traders just on the secondary list. Reason for that, it's not a big mover. It's not a big mover at all. There, I see some days when it was able to move at least $1.5, but as you can see, on average day of that stock, it's quite low in the ADR. So that's why I'm just going to put it on the secondary list. Okay, next one, UAL dropped 1% after the airline carrier second quarter revenue missed the Wall Street expectations. So UAL, after quite of a nice run, might is going to go for a pullback, and this can go to the short list. Archer Daniels Midland, this is a food processing company, ADM, never traded. It got some bad news, and this is just pushing lower now, 2.41% to the downside. But I don't know, never traded this stock. Looks like a quite of a small mover. Look at that, ADR is not the best. And since this drop is just recovering, I'm just going to put it to my secondary list. The news on that stock, actually, I'm just going to tell you exactly what is that. This is a food processing company, supplies high fructose corn syrup, sank nearly three. Ugh, I don't like it. I mean, I don't buy things which include this thing. So it sank nearly 3% after President Donald Trump said Coca-Cola will start to be made with cane sugar. Coca-Cola did not commit to change when asked by NBC News. Well, I don't drink Coca-Cola and I don't drink this corn syrup either. So you know what? For me, it deserves a short place in here on ADM, but just on the secondary list because I never traded this stock, but at least we know what it is producing. SRPT, as you mentioned, definitely on the long side because this is just higher 29% after the medical research and drug development company laid off roughly 500 workers. Ouch, or 36% of its workforce as part of its strategic restructuring plan. Wow, that's a big news. Hi, Tara. Nice to see you. Good afternoon to you. SRPT, here we are. SRPT, it is up 21% or 27%, huge move to the downside in the recent months, as you can see. Let's see whether this stock can be saved by this strategical restructuring plan. Let's see. MP, oh, you're not going to tell me this is finally on the pullback phase? This stock has been crazy so far, guys. We are watching this and trading this for weeks, actually for days, let's say. And now it is just down 4% after its public offering, if 11.8 million common shares would be priced at $55 per share. Now let's see, MP, how do you look like at the moment? But this smells to me like a profit taking at the moment. Yeah, definitely 5% lower, very high volume traders. This can be a pump, and here comes the dumping phase on the MP. Abbott Laboratories is here as well, 4.7% down on ABT. Healthcare company third quarter guidance fell short of Wall Street's expectations. That's not a good news, so ABT definitely on my short list. Traders, if you still have any candidates on your side, please just let me know. So far, surprisingly, I still have a longer short candidates list. And Shake Shack is the last one, which is still going to join to the short candidate, as this just got a very nasty downgrade from the Jeffries, and the Shack is down more than 2% at the moment. Let me just check it on the daily chart, because as far as I remember, this is not a huge mover indeed. Okay. I mean, on the volume side, it is a huge mover, but the low volume, yep, just the secondary list in my opinion. SHA key, Shake Shack, just the secondary list. And we still have a lot to go here, in my opinion, because of the gainers and losers list. We should check it out. AFRM and Unity still strong traders. Soundhound is still on this $12 level, and I'm still checking this stock whether this can go to higher. To the short list, I see MU, which is very much to the downside. It started yesterday a pullback and seems like it does continue. BAC, Google, JP Morgan, Nike on the red side, and the strongest PepsiCo, AFRM Unity, which was a huge mover yesterday, Soundhound, mRNA, AVGO, UPST, Tesla, it's quite strong, PRTR, maybe it's making a reversal, so we still have a lot to go. Yes, Tara, definitely 12 level on the Soundhound. I'm just going to call it to the long side. So traders, we have a lot here on the candidates list, more than enough to start a fantastic trading day with them. I just posted in the VIP room. Traders in the VIP room, 44 trading room, I wish you a beautiful green day with Scott, DVG, and Clifton. And as always, I'm just going to continue in the YouTube room for more than an hour. So traders, have a beautiful green day for you, and I'm coming back tomorrow at 9 a.m. for a Friday trading. Good morning, Seth. Thank you, guys. So see you tomorrow. Okay, YouTube traders, I am here for you, and let's see how this market is going to develop after the opening bell. So far, so good. Quite of a nice move. SPY's up 0.10%. Very nice news from the economic side. Hmm. But I must tell you, this is still a very extended part of the whole market at the moment. That means that this can be a problem for the market to continue. Let's see how it's going to be continued so far. Okay. So traders, today indeed is going to be another trading day close to the all-time high area. This is, in my opinion, not the best environment indeed for the trading. But well, what can we say? This is what we have. We have to deal with. Again, I'm going to be on the cautious side indeed. Okay, just a second. If you have any questions, please just let me know in the chat, or even you are feel free to send me an email at agi@tefs.com. You can ask about the funded accounts challenges, anything like that. Hi Alamu, nice to see you. Okay, just a second. Okay, yeah. All right. Just a second, traders, because I have a surprise for you today. As I've told you, Amir soon is going to join us here in the TEFS YouTube trading room. Just a second, I'm just going to set him up with the link and we can start indeed. Hi, Amir. Wait. I think they cannot hear you yet. Just a second. I'm just going to work on this thing here. Okay. Yes, here we are. All right. I think you are on. Please just say hello to the traders.
Hey traders, sound check.
Guys, please let me know if you can hear Amir. Sound is good. Thank you, Tara. So
Thank you.
yes.
Hey, all right,
So welcome,
guys,
Amir.
welcome. My name is Amir. I'm going to join you at the beginning twice a week. It's depend how I behave and you, and we get to know each other. Um, Aggie is more like the nice cop. Not that I'm the bad cop, but she caress you. Yeah, you. If you want to hear the truth, you can ask me. Not that it's bad, but definitely you need to face it. Different style, you know, and it's good to be exposed, I think. Um, as I was telling you, I'm going to share with you my list. Usually, beginning of the opening, I'm already have specific stock that I'm actually diving into. Diving into it means that I know a lot about them regarding daily, what they did yesterday, levels from the pre-market, ATR volume, how many institution shorts, and usually I'm putting them like blank. I'm not gonna tell you long short because I'm open. You know, sometimes you can do whatever it's the stock will do. I'm trying to be objective. So you're gonna have a list of not a lot of maybe 2 3 stocks. Sometimes I'm have some even small cap that I'm interested. Today I don't see something interested. And another section that I like to is second, third day watch list. Stock that did, and definitely the second, the third are really good opportunities. Again, you can ask everything here. I see what you're saying, what you're writing, not saying. Good. Um, and welcome to myself. I'll be happy to be here. We'll give you the list and good luck.
Thank you, Amir. Just for you, a little bit more information. We know each other for more than a decade.
But we
Uh,
never met.
yes,
That's traders.
this is the nicest
Yeah.
thing in trading and internet, right?
I don't know, nice
21st
or not nice.
century.
Not nice, Aggie. Not nice.
No,
I
I
think if
know,
I have to
I
go
know.
back, I have to join more to see people. And yeah,
Mm,
Scott, I know even more, no?
yeah,
And I never saw him. Never saw him in my
really?
life.
Oh yes,
Never,
it
never.
was.
We were very close to when he came to Israel. I was in Italy, and uh, Yeah,
Yeah.
never met him.
Once we will, I'm sure. Once it's my really, really future
Now
dream
you
to
have a good
make
location,
a
Aggie.
trader
Now
meeting.
you
Yes,
have a good location.
yeah, soon, not yet.
I'm already there, Aggie. I'm already there. So this is
Nice.
my list. Okay,
Okay, you can
B.
just send it to me or
No,
and
I'm
then
gonna
I
put it
can
here. I
present it.
think
Oh
I'm gonna
yes, you
put it
can send
here.
it on the chat.
Yeah. So,
I really like your list.
uh, second day, it's gonna be Marvel and
Yeah,
W
Marvel was nice.
WFC. I saw the beautiful trade that you did. I forgot to add MU, guys. So add MU also. You did a
Yeah.
beautiful trade. That's exactly a momentum trade. I think you did 2 days ago on WFC. Correct?
Yes, yes, yeah, I
Exactly.
really love that trade. Like
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
this is the
yeah,
trade what
yeah,
we want to do every day.
yeah,
Just
yeah,
rinse and
yeah.
repeat.
And this is the earning season, so you can have with the right preparation trades like this every day. Yeah,
Yeah,
every day, really.
yeah,
Sometimes it's
exactly.
sometimes the problem is to be selective because there are so many opportunities and yeah.
Yeah, especially now, I've never liked this all-time high trading environment. Really, it can be sometimes, very volatile, other days completely quiet because no one knows what's coming next.
So
And
if I could find, I will send you to a lecture that Shlomo Cooper did.
oh, I
I
so much
still
love
remember him.
him.
I
Oh my
still remember
goodness.
to buy stocks at a high.
Yeah,
To break this myth. I heard from him like it was maybe 10 years ago, 11. Same old story, Aggie. Same old story.
yeah,
Yeah,
that's for sure. Mm. Good old times, but we have new times with new
yeah.
challenges. Let's call it like that.
The people here
Okay.
share their thoughts, Aggie. People
Results,
are
yeah, we are uh,
communicate.
definitely. It's a really, really
Okay,
great trading community, in my opinion.
okay,
I'm doing always a poll. Like sometimes I do forget, but like after 1 hour trading, I'm just asking, how is the trading day, and so on. So yeah, lots of questions. Really great calls from the guys here inside. So it's fantastic, actually.
okay,
So
okay.
really, I'm very proud of you guys. Really.
I told you
Honestly.
she's nice. Yeah, she's nice.
Yeah, I'm going to be a good cup. You're going to be the bad cup.
Nah, 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 nah. We're gonna be the green cup, Aggie. We're gonna be the
Yeah,
green cup.
I'm just kidding. Okay, what do you think about this MP, by the way? That's a crazy stock.
I'm gonna have to tell you something about those kind of crazy one. We need to put them on the watch list. They're not gonna be my candidate for at least the first 15, 20 minutes.
Mm,
Sometimes you need to, those noises get, in and out. You have the levels, and then you can trade it because. I don't like to trade those kind of stuff at the beginning. It can be really nice, but it
yeah.
can actually, in a nice English, fuck it everything, and then
Mm,
everything you lose your balance. And I don't want to get into those corners. So it's a good stock, but it's like BMNR.
oh yeah.
Yesterday, amazing trade I did, like maybe 5, 6 point twice, but usually I know after hour something, that's the place where I'm watching them. At
Oh
the
yeah.
beginning, it's too much, Hagi. The spreads are open, like not that after there's no spreads, but uh, there's time for everything. Yeah,
Yes. That's for sure. These are really, really crazy movers, like this Circle and CRWV. It's wow, not my type of stocks
yeah,
most of
yeah,
the
yeah,
times.
yeah. If you click, you have to close your eyes if you're doing it open.
Yes,
Yes, and
kind of.
pray, and pray. No technical, no
But
nothing.
it's not in my strategies, unfortunately.
Yeah, I
Hi,
don't like to
Sarko.
pray.
Good morning to you.
Yeah.
So good luck, everyone. We just started. Let's see what's coming next on this market. Economic news, 10 o'clock. But I think the most economic news are out already. The unemployment claims, retail sales, indeed. Market's starting in a small gap up. doesn't mean too much, especially in this all-time high environment, in my opinion, but let's see. Tara, wow, you are like a lightning. Now let's see Soundhound. Uh, it's just get over 12 finally.
She
Oh
have
yeah,
she have a lightning name, Tara. It sounds
yeah.
like like a ninja. Yeah.
She is, believe
Oh,
me.
really? She's a
Yeah,
ninja?
she's calling something that she's already in, and she's a
It's not
fantastic
nice, Tara.
trader.
It's not nice.
No,
If you,
it is
no,
nice.
it's,
Sometimes you know, when you are a trader, you need to
I'm
think.
joking. I'm joking, Aggie. I'm joking.
I know, but you know
I'm
I'm the
cynical.
nice
Yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah.
I'm always defending them.
I know, I know. Relax.
Okay, guys, now let's see.
So pretty.
Wow, CRW big drop.
Wow. You is doing the same like he did yesterday. Like
Oh, that was
crazy
crazy.
move. Now, what's nice about what she did right now, even she broke some, long daily resistance 35.50. So what I'm watching on is just pullback. I can't buy it like this.
Hmm. Okay. SPY looks like she's doing the same like yesterday. Move for a new all-time high, maybe. Unity, it's crazy. Oh, GE, nothing. PepsiCo, not good. I don't like too much so far. Let's see.
Yeah, MU did amazing bars exactly to the pre-market low, like a move of almost 3 points.
Oh yeah,
Exactly. I
yeah, I
think now
see.
it
Wow.
broke. This is an evil stock there. I did like a lot of swing there, which was really good, but the guys there that short are really, really vicious. Really,
I
really.
know.
They are in MU, really. I get to know them not in person, but through the chart.
Yeah.
So
Mm. And now he's just pushing lower. Okay. Nice move on Soundhound, Tara. Just went immediately higher. Amazing. Meta was weak yesterday, and today again is just heading to the $700 level. I'm going to watch it for a possible short there. MU is just dropping, as I see. Okay. Triple Q is weak, as I see now.
the stock that I'm watching right now is from this is SRPT.
Yeah, I'm checking
And
it too. Nice reversal.
yeah, so it broke the 922. It was a good area. It broke it. I want to see if it's break it down and coming back again to 22. Not enough. That's my game plan, but the spread now it's pretty big.
Yeah,
It's like 15 cents, which is okay because this is a 5.6 ATR stock, so I don't have problem to take a bigger stop there, 60, 70 cents even.
yeah.
Um,
Can be a huge mover.
it is a big mover, yeah.
Mm.
See what it did on the pre-market. It was around 29. So
Yeah, I've seen that. Nice comeback there. PepsiCo I'm watching too, but let's see.
PepsiCo. It sounds like a bad stock. No, I thought I never traded.
No, it's very rare for me as well that I'm trading this Nike, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, and so
Well,
on.
Nike, I like Nike. I like
You like
Nike.
Nike?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah. There was a time I used to trade it.
Okay. GE is moving lower as I see. DSM2. Market, of course, pushing higher. BST. Unity, that's crazy, this stock. Look at that, what it is doing.
I know. It's in front of me. It's the same as
Wow.
yesterday. Yesterday, same story. Same.
Guys, if you have anything on the radar, please just let me know. And look at my Roblox. You know what? I'm waiting for weeks for Roblox to stop and see it to reverse. That's
Good
not the
luck,
time.
Agi. Good luck.
Thank you.
Drink a lot of
Wait,
coffee.
listen,
Yeah, you're gonna wait.
I'm patient. I'm going to
Yeah, I
wait for
know.
it. RKRB, Briscoe. Yeah, yesterday it was a huge mover on the RKRB. I remember
So
on that.
what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take MU half size under 111.40 with 40 cents stop, and I'm gonna add under 111. Sometimes I'm putting shares not full. Sometimes I'm tasting, and if the risk reward is not exactly, but it's the I see something. I'm starting to build a position. So
I like it.
111.40. Yeah. Again, I want to see the ask breaking it. I don't have problem a few cents under because sometimes you're going to see the drop. The open spread, the bid will be there, but the ask is not like it got to 38, for example, but I didn't see the ask going under the 40, so I'm still waiting.
That looks nice. I think I'm going to join, and traders, I'm going to get in on 54.78 to the MP to see a small profit taking, as I was talking about in the pre-market. And I like this MU too. Let's see. It can go down. Also, I like to take them on under the lows. Let's see. Market is, of course, breaking for a new high. Ah, you called on a half share size 111.40, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, yeah.
Looks nice.
You don't have announcement here. You actually put it on the
On the
chat.
chat, yes. Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
On the chat. Wow, Apple is breaking out as well, so that's starting stronger. NVIDIA making a reversal. How about this? What was that? TSM got a nice.
They had their earning.
Yep. Maybe it's one point of the day. It's going to make a reversal. Let's see. Okay, so I have two shorts, MP and MU, and MU has just entered.
Okay, MU in. I want to see the volume. I'm watching the
Mm,
volume. I want to see increasing. Um, Hopefully, we're going to see some big capitulation on under 111. Again, I didn't add it yet. You see, it broke like 3 cents and immediately. I don't
yeah,
have problem to wait. The big bar was the first bar today, so it means that the guys want to sell.
yeah,
So, okay, we're getting there now. The spread is only 4 cents, which is good. Okay,
nice.
so I'm waiting for reversal pullback with RKLB and SRPT. Both of them like got immediately, and
Hmm. G is not doing too much, so I'm going to take it off. Soundhound pulled back. Can't believe Roblox is still so strong. Who is buying this stock?
now
My
it's the summer. All the kids are using them, and all
God.
the parents are paying them.
Don't
So
even
the guy,
mention to me.
so
My
it's a
my
lot of.
son loves it.
You see, Aggie, you're paying instead of getting dividend, you're paying them dividend.
You
So
see?
yeah,
Okay, September I'm going to short it for sure. to get back my money from the summer.
Exactly, exactly. September when the kids go into to school. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, MU, come on, not the right direction. SPY is breaking out again. Okay. SLPT looks like it's making a nice bull flag now. Google weak, Meta weak. MP has not entered yet. Okay.
With the 9 EMA in MU around the 80. So not gonna sell it immediately. They have position, but definitely I want to.
MP is making a reversal too, so I'm not that much interested in that. And wow, look at that. Market is again breaking for a new high.
I don't see the stock relate to them so much. Look at
Which one?
Tesla. Look at not the stock. You know the
Yeah,
major one. I don't see that. Tesla looks terrible. AMD.
Google,
Yeah.
look at Google, it's just going lower now. How about Microsoft?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
There's no correlation. No
no,
correlation.
no, big names are not doing the show here, that's for sure. Okay. NVIDIA is getting stronger too. I'm going to check now AMD as well. How about PRTR? Let me just check it. Guys, if you have anything, please just post it in the chat. So far, only MU in the short side. I am waiting for MP as well. Lucid checking.
Yeah, Lucid did amazing because of the had a contract
Wow.
with Uber. With Uber, that's
Mm-hmm.
why it's like.
Nice. That looks nice, actually, Jeremy, if you like it. This can be a sneaky big mover, I would say. Tara, if you're still holding Soundhound, this is moving higher now. And overall SPY, as I see, it wants to go for a new all-time high, 628. It should break for sure for that. Come on, MU. Okay. Reloaded. Nice. Yeah, that seems like it's stronger now. Lululemon is strong, 2% higher. Bit too late. Wow, Microsoft just broke. MU, I still like MU. Amir, look at that.
Of course, nothing happened. Aggie just
No,
almost got into the stop. I like that it's got checking the levels and everything. I'm gonna still add now after 111. Beautiful. The stock is very
yeah,
solid. Yeah,
yeah,
stock
yeah,
is
I
very
agree.
solid. Okay, SRPT now it's in the right place. I want to
Mm-hmm.
see the continuation, but that's the place where I'm watching it right now. SRPT. Agi, don't talk about MU. I told you there are vicious people there. They hear us.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. SPY in the meantime is just pushing higher with the triple Q. 626 coming next as a round number. Meta getting stronger and not weaker. And this Microsoft again, wow. How about Amazon? Google is down, Microsoft is up. Interesting market for sure. But so far, strengths everywhere. Coin. Let me just check coin. I still like this Lucid, Jeremy, by the way. Looks like if it can really break this 310, can be a nice play there. MP, I'm going to cancel my entry if it is breaking 56, but so far it has not entered, and it's still hovering there, not doing too much. And the market is just pushing higher again and again. VDA, AMD, nothing. TSM completely off the table. What AVGO? Okay. Strong start on the market, but I barely can find stocks which are really pushing higher. Maybe Microsoft. Microsoft is quite strong in here.
So PT 2220.
And AVGO. That stocks looks interesting. I'm going to watch this as well. AVGO, so far MU, come on. Oh.
OG still watch it even on 2 minutes, MU. Look at the first ball and look about what happened after. It's kind of a side consolidation, which the high of that is 1230, 11230, which we are almost there. Everything can happen. Everything can happen.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Let's see. Yeah, market bulls are back again. This is definitely not the best. Was just looking at SRPT2. Amir,
Yeah,
interesting.
yeah.
Resistance at 23. It's for you.
Yeah, I'm watching it, but it's exactly on the view up. If you're taking it not a little bit before, by a blink of a second, you're gonna be out. So I don't have problem to, around 2220, I think. That's the area I think I want it. Where's the stop? Around 40. Usually, when you prepare, you find the levels, and according to the levels, you know how much to shares you have to take, what's your risk. And it's like a 40 cents and almost 1 to 2 to the high. But again, this is 5.6, and the relevant volume is pretty strong today. So it's totally okay. Um,
Right.
22. Yeah, 2220. Yeah, I'm gonna do SRPT. I want to take it 2220, and I'm gonna give it around 40 cents stop. Jeremy, too interesting. Yeah, yeah, so 23. But look at the pre-market; it got to 29, and this is a really big mover. Of course, if it's gonna move to our sides.
Yeah, definitely. No, let's see. MU, unfortunately, it's still okay. SPY, it's a bull flag. AVGO just breakout.
I got out of MU for
Oh,
the
you
half
got out.
position.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm
When
still
I have
holding
stop,
it.
it's solid stop, and
Okay.
I'm a favorite of second chance, really. Just because I lost the first part doesn't mean everything. If I need to, like for example, I'm just throwing number 111.80. If it break that level, I like it, and yeah,
Okay. I'm still
nobody cares.
holding it. It's just a small share size for me at the
Okay.
moment. Market is breaking higher, so ABT, yeah, it's I just spare it not to be on my
ABT
mono
also
pool.
had
Nice.
earning pre-market.
Yes, it was quite weak. Now the overall market again, traders new daily high. MP, of course, I'm canceling my MP entry.
Happy, relax. Aggie, relax with the MP, Aggie.
I'm relaxing. I'm okay.
No, don't.
My level was right. It has just not reached it. I'm completely okay with that.
Okay, SRPT getting close. Um, wow, Unity is not correcting. Okay. RKLB also is doing exactly what I wanted. The high was 52. If we could get to around, what's the low here? 50, 70, something like this, I will be happy.
Wow, it's a
So
huge mover too.
yeah,
Tesla, it's really ugly today.
yeah. Look at the bar. You know, when I see stuff like this, I just don't look at it. You know,
Yeah,
there's.
exactly. This is what when I'm mentoring traders, I'm just if
I'm
I
not
need to
wasting.
show
No, there's nothing.
if I need to show an example what not to touch,
Yeah,
this is a typical chart, typical behaving chart indeed.
it's the AOD guys. Chart looks amazing. Like what's amazing, for example, SRPT did a move correct into the view up. Looks okay. I don't know if you're going to do something. Unity going up. You watch it because if it's a good correction, great. Disgusting is what's Tesla. You know, you see so many, yeah, evil bars and nothing,
Yeah,
no trend, nothing. So
it's all over the place.
yeah,
No
yeah.
reading.
Okay,
Okay.
so 112.40. That's the high of MU. Mm, yeah.
Ah, you're watching for getting back if it's going lower.
Yeah, definitely. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, give me
Not yet.
two more candle like this. I'm gonna take it above 112.40. Yeah, good support of
Oh
the
yeah.
view up. You know, that's why
Yeah, you are right.
I'm just watching.
Triple Q is very strong, guys. Triple Q is getting to 560 almost, so extremely strong move on the triple Q. Overall market, though, as I've told you, the SPY triple Q are really strong, but especially the triple Q. Also, if I'm checking AMD now, it's back to the highs. It's just breaking out. Wow. Okay. Is that news again? What happened now? Look at that move here.
They didn't do nothing. You know, maybe if
Mm,
it's gonna break 160, 40, 30.
yeah.
Where is right now? Yeah, we're gonna get out of those range.
And VDA suddenly just pushed up like crazy.
You see, guys, watch MU what it did. It was on a lot of bars under, so people said,
Yeah.
okay, it's breaking the view up. I'm going to short it. Got 4 cents and immediately 40 cent up.
Returned. Yep.
That's why you need a certain confirmation. I still like the SRPT. I like if it's break the 20 to 20. Yeah, it's gonna. We can make it even a 50 cent stop. Another 10 cents. I don't have problem. You know, it's the risk reward for the highs. Not, I would be happy more, but again, it's a momentum and the ATR is pretty big.
Hmm.
And the pre-market was really good there. So
Looks nice.
11.
Okay. So I'm still in MU, but over 12, 112.50, I think I'm going to get out. This is my final level there. And nothing else which I would say I like it. I was thinking on this NVIDIA around 172.
Whoa, look at the NVIDIA. What's going on
Yeah,
there?
I know. It's crazy. I think maybe, I don't know. Short squeeze, no idea. Crazy people started to buy it. No idea what happened
Maybe they
there.
bought few states with all the money that they have now.
Yeah, it's possible actually.
Start to buy states that start with N, you
Yeah,
know. They have so much money, I think, now.
yeah, sure. PRTR again. I don't know, this PRTR in the recent weeks, it was not my complete favorite. But yeah, it looks again, it wants to go for a new all-time high too. 152.05, something like that, Alex, on the PRTR. Not bad. Bulls are still very strong on this market, guys. No stop at all. SRPT got a little bit slow here.
Yeah.
Wow, NVIDIA, look at that. It's just not
I don't
stopping.
want. I don't want to look. It's amazing.
Crazy. TSM is moving back too. AMD.
So when you see something like this one, immediately go to the. I have like a watch list of every sector, so I'm immediately going to the semi,
Semis.
Nvidia part of the one. So I'm just clicking by so TSM. Okay, TSM. We had earning ARM guys, ARM, and not a lot of volume right
No,
now.
it's always
You
low
mentioned
volume.
AVGO.
Hmm.
Yeah, but the chart looks like all my all my sorrow. Yeah, no, nothing there.
Yeah.
No, no, there's nothing there.
AMD, I'm still watching, but this is not the real deal either, so far at
Yeah.
least. Maybe over 160, 70. So only AMD, it's running. MU's completely stuck now. I'm watching this TSM over 245 can be a quite of a nice call. Let's see. So this is one of my candidate here. Overall market maybe pulling back a bit. PepsiCo again, Alex. Let's see.
Okay, Unity is starting to correct, and SRPT is getting
Oh,
close to the
nice.
trigger.
Yeah,
Yeah.
SRPT looks good. Yeah, PepsiCo not bad either. 143.65 around for me for the entry. Nice SRPT.
Okay, you give too much compliment before something happen. Agi, nothing happened.
I see already.
Yeah, you don't see. I see. I want to see the kaching, and then I see already.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah,
for sure. Wow, Oracle again. This stock is a beast.
yeah.
It's $250 now. It was 120. Wow. Okay. Now let's see this TSM. TSM 245. Roblox just broke the highs. AMD is the other one. Yes, Alamu, I'm watching this AMD and TSM. So both of these semicons are looking quite better. I like AMD and TSM as well. And seems like NVIDIA is not going to stop today, so far at least. But this EMU is still struggling a lot here.
Yeah, under 90, I'm going to do a second chance and
Mm,
60-cent stop.
mm,
111.90. Let me write to you.
that's nice.
MU under 111.90. Give me a
Mm,
few cents under the low there. And stop will be 60 cents.
okay, let's go for a TSM.
Where did you buy TSM?
Oh, over 245, I'm going to, if it goes there
Huh.
at all. And actually, as I've told you, Alamu, I like the AMD too. Both of them, it's like a intraday breakouts. TSM stop loss, it's under 243.60. And I'm going to buy it on 245.10. 245.10. I'm still holding the MU. And as I've told you, for me, though, the AMD, it's over like 160, 65, 70, something like that. Both of them looks nice. NVIDIA, it's a bull flag again. Crazy. Oh, MU. Now that's going to be an interesting move here. And 10 o'clock, we will get some more news in some 20 seconds, guys. I'm just checking it. What else? NAHB housing index, that's for sure. And one more. Let me just check it. 10 o'clock, business inventories and FOMC member speaker. So far, that's it. I have not entered the TSM yet. Still in MU. Which one you are listening to? Bloomberg, Amir?
Yeah.
Mm. MP57, Alex. Let me just check it. P. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Okay. Everything depends on the market now. Okay, TSM. My triggers just doesn't want to get triggered today. Seems like. But AMD is going higher at least. Oh, it got a price target high.
AMD
SPY
got
high. AMD,
um,
yep.
okay.
SPY triple Q is breaking for a new high, traders. Alamu, nice call on the AMD. Well done. I'm still slightly holding this MU here. 20 more cents to go. And the market is still strong, slow but strong. DKS is strong too. Wow, no volume. Okay. And I've told you NVDA just broke. Nice, AMD, beautiful. Just moving to a partialing point. Fantastic. And my MU is moving for a stop loss
Some
point.
somebody took the AMD.
Alamu, I'm sure he did because this was his call actually.
What was his trigger?
60.
Ah, okay, above that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Very nice trigger.
Yeah.
50 cent stop. High of the day. Yeah, yeah, good. Everything was good. Yeah, good.
Yeah. Meta is breaking down. Hmm. Meta is definitely not strong today.
Meta is dead.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, so which one is the next? SPY breakout for sure.
Okay, we have 40 cents in almost 50, but let's see. In SRPT, what I want to see is I want to see if we can get to the high and break it. I want to see an increase in volume. So I'm not going to buy automatically take a pause. I see the good volume came with that, which is good.
Nice.
Yeah. MU that level, you know, the 1250 is like the granite.
Mm. You want to buy the NVDA now, Alemu? I don't know. 173.50. I would wait maybe for a small pullback first. Let's see.
Where will be your stop if you buy 73.50?
Okay, TSM. Maybe it still can be a cup and handle. Pepsi was a nice call for the VWAP reversal, Alex. It's just making the move nicely. Okay. SPY on the daily highs, triple Q on the daily highs. Tesla is starting to move too, but still very ugly in my opinion. MP nice call there, Alex, too. But really stay on the scalp side in my opinion. Let's see how the Apple is behaving today. Pff, ugly. Ugly, ugly. Okay. $2 more for the SPY to show a new all-time high. And the news did not add too much for this market so far, at least. On the economic side at all. Slow
Okay.
market today, I mean. Oh,
Correct, correct. I'm starting now to go over my screener to find
yeah,
more candidate to refresh, take off
me
some
too.
things that not, and yeah.
Yeah, it's just really
So
slow. I mean, we have a direction, but it's again slow. CSX, it's completely dead in my opinion. Jeremy, be careful with that.
I
Alamo,
had I
uh,
had high expectation about my candidate, which every day I have. So it's
yeah,
nothing changed, but nothing. Yeah,
yeah, exactly. We just wait for this very much. We got used
yeah,
to these nice moves, but all-time high
yeah.
environment is changing the picture. And Alemu answered to you that the stop loss would be on the NVIDIA 179.90, but it did not take it.
170, 170 what?
290, sorry, 172.90.
172.90. Okay.
But he did not take it anyway.
So don't throw triggers.
Okay, spy to book you, come
XXI.
on.
Yeah.
TTD. Yeah, that was a quite of a big mover in the last weeks,
Few days, yeah, a few
days.
days ago, I remember it.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Ugly. Yeah, I don't like when I see even a 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute candle. If it's even worse. But if I see a candle with a huge wick, and more of them, it's just full, like Tesla. Now, this is another type of a stock which I would not just
Tesla.
touch it. Alex, be careful with that. Yes, I see what you mean, and it looks promising on a daily for a reversal. I completely get your picture. I just don't know whether it worth to take you know, the risk for me. The SPY triple Q now it's stuck again, so comes the consolidation phase. LGVN, you shorting it? Okay. Eesh. That's not my type of stock. $1.50.
Aggie, what is the number next to the people that says like Alex, number three? He think he's a king. What's going on there?
No, no, they are really active in the room. That's why they got this
Ah, they got the
sign.
king.
Yeah,
Okay. Alex, when you are a
they are
king,
the
never do a
traders
thing, Aggie.
king.
Yeah, okay. Alex is a king.
Yeah, very
Okay.
enthusiastic, great calls all the time, good
Okay.
comments.
Okay.
Okay, come on, Spy. I guess we will just see another breakout on the market soon. I'm a price mentor by King Amir.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
No, if you feel a king, it's good.
Prince, yes.
Self-esteem is good in trading. Not too much, you know. Not too much. Not too much.
No,
But
self-esteem,
it's
it's
good.
important in life. If
Yeah.
it's healthy, it's okay in trading as well. Now, come on,
Okay.
market, move. I guess another breakout soon. Tesla is getting stronger now. I'm just watching this. SRPT still looks very good, Amir.
I'm waiting
Very good.
for the big bar, Aggie,
Yeah,
for the perfect storm. Yeah.
sure.
For the capitulation that's gonna
Yeah,
break the high and gonna bring it to the green heaven. Yeah. That's what I'm
looks
waiting for.
great.
Let's see in the small cap area. What's the IWM doing? Wow, IWM is strong today. I think it's a stronger. Let's see small cap. Yeah, I have some
Small caps
scalar
are
events.
strong today. Okay,
Yeah, yeah. IWM is strong.
nice. I like it. Wow, Soundhound is just breaking out now, and MU is getting to my stop loss. Unfortunately, overall market is just pushing higher as I was expecting to see that. Might we will see a new all-time high today again. Bitcoin is strong. Hoodies again, it's strong. Amazing this stock is. Tesla is really starting to be stronger now.
Tesla will move from being Stressla to Tesla.
Yeah, hopefully it's starting to
Exactly.
be now. Who the new day or all-time high actually?
Another small cap that we need to
BBAY.
pay attention to him is BBBI.
Oh yeah,
BBAI, sorry. Yeah,
BBAI. Yes,
yeah,
it's
it's really 13% today. Again, maybe gonna go to 730, 770 or whatever, but I'm gonna put it on my list. So when I'm
nice.
finding something, I'm just watching them, put in the chart, and just get.
Well, actually BBAI I'm holding as a swing trade since $3. So
Aggie! Okay, this is why you moved to Spain, Aggie.
you see?
Bibi, and I totally understand. Yeah, why not? Why not?
Oh my goodness. Okay, now let's see what else in here. Market is a little bit stuck there. I don't think so it will. Oh, have you seen what Alex just wrote? That he went through the mentoring with you a couple years ago?
Alex, let's see if I remember. Are you from LA?
Ooh, Meta is dropping like a stone.
This is why you're a king. We did a mentoring, you see. I'm
um,
wondering if you're from the west side, west coast. I think there was. I think I remember.
you always confuse it with Miami, he wrote.
Yeah, so I did this mistake. Okay, yeah, because I don't like Miami. I don't know why. There's places better than in Florida. Miami,
Yeah, agree.
only thing I remember is the humidity and the mosquito, Alex. You see?
Okay. In the meantime, market is still consolidating. Are you still in the MU for a call, Amir?
Yeah,
At the
yeah, yeah.
uh-huh.
I
Still
still
looks
like
good.
the 90. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Okay.
still like the 90 with 60 cent stop. Yeah, still like it.
Still looks good.
You see what they did? They broke the high in 2 cents and immediately dropped
Mm,
60. That's
yeah,
the evils guys there. Exactly. You
yeah.
know, they know the level,
Sure.
they see the stops, and this is what they do. SRPT, I reduced the entry because twice it did a 50. Still, I have my stop for the half position at, yeah, 75. I like to
Okay.
reduce and to add because the reducing sometimes I don't have problem to get few losses, but it will be pretty rare that I'm gonna have full losses. You know, full. You can get maybe even three when the total will be maybe a risk and something unit lost, and then you do one trade, and then I can be green in maybe 25% success.
Hmm.
So
In the meantime, things are starting to be interesting here. Like Apple is breaking the lows. Oh no. Guys, just a sec. I will be back in a second.
so still trading, Alex. It's good. It's good. Yeah, those kind of things others doesn't. I don't care really. I don't. I like if you're successful, that makes me happy. What you do with that, I'm happy for you. But yeah, okay. So we know MU. From the previous trade, we have the 40, we have the 111.20, and we have the 111. Okay, we're almost like 40 cents, whatever. Probably, I want to see it breaking 111.50. 50 is like a round number, and I want to see the volume increasing, which okay, but it's not the volume at the beginning of the day. And definitely red market bars will help us. In 5 minutes looks good. At this time we basically, let's see, I'm not sure. Yeah, you know what, in the 15. In the 15, if we are breaking 50, which we did, looking good. Looking good. That's exactly example of, you know, um, second chance. Like I lost half position in MU. Who cares? It was for me. I think it was a good plan. They're not successful always, but then we have the levels, and right now I'm in full position, and it's looking good. It's almost 1-to-1 already. Okay, let's see the 111. If we're not breaking it, around 90 cents, I'm going to take some profit. I'm going to throw even a limit, a few cents above 111. Um, I like it. I like those bars. Look at 5 minute in MU. This is good bars. There was kind of consolidation, and we actually broke it. Capitulation bar, the view up, and then continue. We have another 2 minutes and something to finish this. If the third candle like this, Uchi Mama, that would be good. You took the MU, guys. Second one. Good. Good, Beko. I just put automatic orders, it's not that I was waited with my finger there.
Hi guys, I am back. Sorry for that. Just had a phone call. What's up? Nothing
Um,
new as I see.
we got into MU. It did like a 60 cents. Now it did the retest. But yeah,
Ah,
they
I
did
see.
nice under the 95. Um,
Hmm.
Maybe it's to retest here towards the 112 and a little bit, the view up, and yeah, let's see. Definitely, I want to see what's gonna happen there.
I'm watching this Meta. This is really weak. Amazon is down too. Oh, Meta just broke. Come on,
You know
Amir.
what's the meaning of meta in Hebrew? You know what's the meaning?
No.
Dead.
Oh, so
Yeah,
let's short it.
yeah, that's shorted. It's already dead. Yeah.
That was the stock which it's always just going up and up and up, and now it seems like it's just stopped finally.
Yeah.
Guys, I still like my TSM call though. Look at that. She's back over the VWAP. NVIDIA is still consolidating there. I don't know. I still like it actually.
Not always bricks out. Not always like I'm not so busy today. Like I'm in MU. Uh, I'm not using hard stop. Even though sometimes I do it, especially if I'm in the trade and I'm going away, which I love the automatic orders. I can throw a partial area, a stop area, and if I'm in too many stocks, definitely. Um, you need to be because it's depend on the style of the stocks. If it's a spready and you're not going to put it immediately, you're going to be throwing out, and then they say, they see okay, but then you have to think about this, like where should you put the stop, and
Mm.
but today I'm not so busy. This is only the MU the third trade, so look at you, Agil. Look at you.
Yeah.
It's
Unity
not
again.
correct in nothing. That's crazy.
It's
I see
yeah.
the levels, and in my mind I remember the daily. Oh wow, the potential there. I had sometimes, when you do the pre-market and everything.
Wow.
I like to imagine, the places and to plan the trade and everything, and I really imagine myself flying in the daily of you. So
Yeah.
now I'm not even diving. Yeah, somebody else is flying there.
That's for sure, but it's flying high now.
Yeah, flying.
38. Yogi loved this Unity so much. He thought that it has a bright future. Indeed.
Of course, of course. Bright future. Okay.
Let's see. How could I miss this meta? Okay, SPY triple Q, back to the VWAP. Now let's see. Amazon on the lows too.
Okay, so the gameplay now will be named this. We already got to the 38, 111.38. I want to see if we get there, and again, we're going to get some resistance. I'm going to take a partial there. If I'm going to see, like in 5 minutes, looking good. If it's going to flush that levels, I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to take a partial immediately. Spread is not big. I'm watching it at level 2 cents, which is good. So you get the entire picture. That's always important. Just because you click a trade, you don't just gaze. You have to
Yeah,
see in advance. Okay, now for example, I'm gonna raise low my stop like 112.10, like few cents above, not the 50, because there's already a time that passed and it did, and if there is struggle, I don't want to be above. I'm taking some cover above, a little bit above the VWAP, so around 112.10. So I already reduce the stop to maybe in 70%. So that's sometimes, even if you're not taking partial, you're reducing the stop, and then by this again you control your risk, which is important. Okay,
nice.
we broke the 50, 43. Let's see. So I'm waiting with my finger here, and I want to see.
Well, it needs to break this 111.50 here. Waiting for that. Quite patience with that trade. And I really hope now we see the market to support us a little bit more, but triple Q is just making a reversal again. Very slow market. Come on. Don't like this all-time high environment still. What do you think? Are they going to postpone this 1st of August, what it is, tariffs again? Just to tease us?
I don't know, Aggie slash I don't care. No, really, it's not
Okay.
my state. Yeah, no, I don't care what if they're gonna do. The tariff did us good. Environment, momentum, and everything. But except that, care
Wow.
less. Can do whatever he wants.
Mm, that's for sure.
What I'm interested is find, stocks. That's what I'm interested. BBAI is correcting now, so basically around 780, I will be happy. Can even
780. Hmm.
yeah, the view up area,
Yeah,
something like this, 85. Um,
looks great indeed. Alex, how is Yogi? He's very well. He's feeling okay. Well, I try. I try my best. You see, I get Amir here. Next, I'm working on Yogi. Great analyst team, as always. We just need a great market. Come on, market. Can't believe MU cannot break this 111.50.
I told you it's vicious. It's a vicious
I
stock.
know.
Really vicious. I'm getting it personally. They are vicious
I'm.
people, I remember, yeah, I was in really good swing, and um, earning was a few weeks ago. I was after market and I actually saw an order. It got exactly to the levels. I left the quarter because all the enthusiastic. I thought it will we continue. I
Mhm.
sold the last quarter after tomorrow day after $14 under. Again, I was still in a really good profit because I bought it earlier, but just to explain to you, even a good catalyst and everything, and those stock is going against. So and there's not so
Crazy.
many shorts there, so I really don't know what's going on there. But definitely, if you watch the daily, there was a level that in certain level the guys shorter like there's no tomorrow. Really,
Hmm.
you
Crazy.
know, the more you get, you trade in some stocks and you get information, you get to know them like a really person,
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I don't want to meet this person, Mu. Really, he's not fun guy. Yeah, or
Listen,
girl. I
I
don't know.
I I have a ban list for these stocks actually. I just put them there and I'm not reading them.
No, no, I traded and they did well, but I actually can see there and
I know what
like
you mean.
now you see it's a bear flag under the V up. Come
Exactly.
on, come on,
It is
come
just
on.
making actually
You
an
want to kick me
inverted cup
out
and
again
handle.
and then do it? Yeah.
And we have two defense level, actually three defense level. The 20, I'm using the 20, 50, and 100 EMA on these
Really in
both
the
time
day?
frames. Yeah,
Even in the day?
yeah.
Really? Nah, it's too many for me. I'm 9 and V up.
9 and VWAP. VWAP,
Yeah.
it's is the first, it's the number one. It's
Yeah,
no
but the
no
nine is
matter
really
what, it's
good.
there.
It's helped me
Yeah, you
partial
are
and when
right. Mm,
extended, I like the
mm.
nine. RKLB also on the viewer, but it's not a good risk reward to the high.
Yeah, I've
What
seen that.
else?
Oh, what have you done with SRPT? It's just get back now.
What I got with SPT, I told them I reduce entry and
Ah, you reduce.
half
Okay.
lost, half lost. See,
The
it
same
was.
what I'm
You
doing.
know what? When I see this, I think I was talking and I didn't. Usually, I have like a really playbook for this situation. Like, look what happened. It actually touched 3 4 times in a 50 cents profit, and definitely
Yeah.
that's place. Usually, if you see it mark a few
Mm,
times, definitely you have to take something there. It doesn't matter if it's fit what you know, but
exactly.
it show you. And
Exactly.
I was not paying attention. So, guys, you owe me the half position of SRPT, guys. Alex, I will start with you because you have a Lambo. So, Alex,
You have a Lambo? Come on.
no, I
I
don't. No, Alex has. So, Alex, I'm going to come to Miami. Think maybe in October. So, tell me where we're going to meet. Oh, you know what? You can bring me in PayPal, and that's it. It's easier.
my son, he's called Alex as well, by the way.
Really,
and he loves Lambos. I don't know why. Don't ask me.
really.
I think because of his dad. He was talking about these
Okay.
sports cars. No, I wish. Yeah, my Alex as well. Alex,
How old is he?
actually.
How old is he?
Alexander, he is 8 years old now.
8 years old. Already
Yeah.
crush on Lambo. Good luck,
Yeah.
Agi. Good luck.
Thank you. Yeah, I need a lot of BBAIs for that.
He needs. You don't have to supply him. If he wants, he can get. He can walk or
Yeah,
whatever. Yeah.
listen, I'm sure he's going to be into trading. Like one day he just come into my office and, Mommy, what are you doing? I showed him, this is a chart, this is a stock, and this is like a, and
It's
he
better.
really loved it, actually. So
Okay, it's
let's
better
see.
than your situation. My kids never been there and they think it's boring.
Oh, really? But yours
Yeah,
are bigger
totally.
now.
Never, never,
Yeah.
never. They think it's boring and
Yeah, you cannot force them. If
I'm
they
not,
have a
I'm not,
talent for
I'm
that
not.
or an eye for
I'm
that,
not, I'm
okay.
not.
But
No, I don't know.
yeah,
It's not about
definitely you did
talent.
not.
If it's
Mm-hmm.
not, it's just because I'm doing it doesn't mean that they need to do it. And I remember when the little one was very little in the kindergarten, they asked everybody what the parents doing. So she said that her father is looking at computer and laughing. So that was my job description.
Oh my goodness, that's funny.
Or somebody else think he's unemployed.
Yes.
Of course. So who cares?
Yeah, my was my son. He was telling that they are speaking just Hungarian at the moment. Not in 1 year, hopefully, fluent in Spanish and English. But he thought that mommy is speaking in English and she's smiling. But what she's doing? She's speaking in English and smiling. That's it. Okay.
Maybe he heard my kids. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I don't like this market. It's officially actually I'm still onto this MU trade. I still like TSM, by the way. So it's if finally it's just moving over 245. I'm going to still watch it. But overall market is just a big no direction at the moment. Like moved higher, moved down. Now it's in the middle. And now just on a decision point. Meta, it's a quite of a big recovery at the moment though. So I still have TSM on the run. How about MP? And yeah, this is the time when I'm just going to check the
MP.
sectors, which is the strongest,
MP.
which is the weakest.
MP is not something today, Aggie.
Mm,
It's a little bit down, but
it's
not
not doing too
something
much.
amazing. BBI. Okay.
Yeah.
Yesterday there were like three IPO. All of them were already nothing. Yeah, today I'm just putting them on the sector and on a watch list and just watch. But the last, many IPO were just disgusting. Really.
You're
Yeah.
trading IPOs.
Yeah, I used to argue.
Mm,
I already
oh,
bury that
sad.
strategy. I bury
Yeah,
with
me
a
too.
big funeral, really, with a lot of tears. In a good day, in a good month, it could be like 40% of my profit,
I
really.
know.
So I did already a funeral for that. I don't have problem to dig it and take it out, but it's nothing. There was yesterday a good IPO, LAYR, like the information was everything, but it's not, just
Has not
not.
performed. It's sad. IPOs has to be really good in the
Yeah,
past.
lots of
Not
joy.
anymore. Okay. As I see, Scott has not traded too much either. His last call was SRPT over 22.
Yeah, like us. Yeah,
Yeah. Slow day, guys, slow day. And this is the hardest part in trading for most of the traders, sitting on your hands.
yeah, yeah.
This
Not,
is
not.
the nightmare of day traders, I would
No,
say.
no, no. Again, I'm not taking it. I used to take it, but I'm not taking like. I I always think that we are a guest in the market. So when you think like this, you come, very calm, and you know that you sing that song in your head, like all the three trades. I'm standing behind them just because I'm here and
Hmm.
I'm not doing it doesn't mean that I'm bored and I need to do something. You need to do something. Go over your if you do a journal, watch the daily chart, watch things, and when you finish this trading stuff, even listen to music while you're doing this, or just take away, get out of the computer. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
it's the funny occupation. Sometimes you can do amazing like in 15 minutes, and sometimes you can finish the day nothing, and even sometimes red. Like
Yeah.
it's weird, but that's our environment. So we have to get used to that if you're
Yeah,
not already.
that's for sure. But as you just you were just talking exactly. I'm in TSM. I should be. Yep. Um, Actually,
TSM.
trade just you forgot that because you just told the secret sentence that you got used to it. But most of the traders,
I
especially
know,
the
I know,
ones who
I
just
know,
started,
I
it's
know,
like
I know,
it's their highlight of the day. You
I
remember
know,
how
I
you
know, I
loved
know,
trading, how
I
you
know.
started
I know.
trading,
I
and
still remember Aggie. I'm still
this is it.
excited before every day, and I'm
Exactly.
still remember
Yeah,
everything. I can remember trades that
exactly.
I did, but um, that's the reality. That's the reality.
And this is a bit harder to learn, that yeah, not every day you need to trade, and most of the days it's better if you are not touching the market if it is not
The psychology
performing
part is
like
the
it is.
worst. Is the
Yeah.
only is the really strong thing to get used to. Technical. Okay, I'm working sometimes doing mentoring and guys. Okay, so we have to shape it, put it on the playbook, put it on trading strategy and scripts and everything. But people fail on the psychology. They fail and fail psychologists when there's nothing, they say I didn't
Exactly.
find something. It was a big red day, and of course, in that big red day, they did much more trading that they're doing when there is a green day. Like everything is really obvious when you see the numbers and everything. It's
Exactly. You need to be aware of that.
um, yeah, you have to.
And this is that's why journaling it's important because you will see that
Wow.
actually.
You see your face. Sometimes you don't know yourself, guys. You don't really.
Mm.
You're lying to yourself. You remember, but sometimes it's fresh everything. Especially you can do. I like to do it in TradeView, and I tell people to do it. When I'm trading. Because what's nice is you tag all your trades. Like
Oh.
momentum open, if you like a view up shorting or 9 EMA, and again you have to be very specific about, let's say, what time of the day, if the first 15 after 1 hour, second part of, and one tagging is a bullshit. Means sometimes you can see there were, I remember there was a month or something, how many I did on the bullshit, and when you see it, just face it. When you don't tag and when they don't do it, tomorrow you're gonna do the same. But then what I'm going to is, when you see that you are really good in something, and really good when you see statistics, definitely you increase your risk in that strategy. And then I'm not trading the same on every strategy. There's
Hmm.
some strategy that I can do even 10 or even more. There's specific one. There's not every time. Maybe you can have it in a month, maybe two, three, but they can be sometimes like 60% of the profits.
Yeah.
You size them so bad, and yeah,
Uh, Hi Nitsan. TSM stop loss it's $1, so it's going to be under 144. Indeed. And yeah, journaling it's and actually when I'm mentoring traders, I cannot, go from 1 to 2 with them if they are not doing the journaling because I cannot see their trades. Like,
yeah. They can bullshit everything, huh? But most of the time, I have to tell you, right now, I'm dealing with a guy, and I think I did hundreds of students, probably, yeah. And maybe I can count on one hand people that actually took it seriously. Some of them know that it's them. Some can point a gun to me, of course, because, again, of course, but I'm okay with that. But the guys, I remember there was a guy really nice, but I don't remember his name. He used to do some PhD, I think, in a really good university, and I was impressed with him because he was sending me his journal, and it was really nice. Now, in the journaling, you don't write a letter to your grandma, okay? Because you have to do something like a routine every day. So,
Yeah, that's for
for
sure.
example, you write your psychology, if you slept even well. Sometimes, really those kind of things mentally are important,
Very.
and something that you can, put like not more than 5-10 minutes, and it's easy because if you start writing yourself letters, I think I want you have to be very specific. So,
And to simplify it, yeah, for sure.
where
Mm.
was your entry in TSM, Maggie?
245.05, but now it's just going around here again. Wow, that's a very tiring market, guys. Really. Look at the it's almost in a small, really small doji. I don't know, something is brewing here, I think, on the on this daily chart, in my opinion. Let me just check. Next, what is today? 17, not next week, 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, it's going to be the federal funds rate decision. So that's going to be something. Alamu, nice calls. Well done. I hope you are in green for today. And yeah, I'm not blaming you to call it as a day because it's really, really slow.
Thank you, Anamo. Yeah, Alex, it's very easy,
Mm.
really. It's very easy, to see uh, by your trading plan, whatever. You don't have some time to explain, really.
Yeah.
Of course, you need to write everything, but definitely it's self-explanatory because
Okay. Phew. I've never gave so many patience for for a stock like that. MU is still not doing too much. DSM either. I was not looking, just checking into the trades today, indeed. And the market is completely stuck. Triple Q, though, it's stronger than the SPY now. So I'm watching for the technical stocks and the sectors there. But I feel like it's already August. Really. It's like a typical summer day. I mean, holiday
Aggie, you want
holiday
August because
season.
this is when you go to Spain, Aggie. I know.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, don't.
Small green Alamo, nice. Yeah, AMD was great. Yeah, we do. Ah, Scott is trading OKL low. Now let's see. Maybe something interesting there. Nothing. Actually, nothing.
Oklo.
Oh my
Let's see
goodness.
your sister SMR. Yeah, ugliest Oklo. Yeah.
Yeah, RGTI. No, RGTI, it's a
Now
low.
GTI is different. It's the quantum. These guys
Oh,
are from the
I'm
nuclear, I
always,
think. Yeah.
yeah, I know, I'm
Yeah.
always changing
Our
these names
GTI
so
was
many.
yesterday good.
Yeah. SPY triple Q, nothing. It's getting stronger again. Hopefully my TSM doesn't want to go higher. That's not good. My final stop loss is, if I'm just checking this higher highs, higher lows, actually it should be under 243.70 maximum. No. Triple Q looks like it's going to break for a new high, but the SPY is just completely muted. How about the banks, the big banks, JP Morgan and so on? Pulling back, but nothing interesting. Wells Fargo. Now let's see. Did you watch Wells Fargo today? Ah, it's starting to be
I'm
visible.
watching. I'm watching it all the time. Yeah, I did something
Yeah,
in the opening, reciprocal range, and now it's exactly close of yesterday. Yeah,
yeah, I
it's
see.
on my chart. Yeah, it was the candidate, but
Interesting. Now let's see my favorite, Roblox. It is the middle of summer, so no, it doesn't want to stop by 120 as I see. Okay, I'm still leaving my TSM traders here, and MU is just completely stuck to the VWAP, not doing anything, but that's not a good sign that we could not break this 111.50. Unfortunately. Okay, I think slowly I'm going to call it as a day. I'm going to
me too.
babysit
Me
these
too.
trades. It's just, there's days are these days when you don't need to force trading because it doesn't work with this market. NVIDIA still has some chance, Nitsan, I think, especially in my opinion, if it's breaking 123.20, not even 123. Need this pie to get out the VWAP risk order? Yeah, I think this pie needs a healthy pullback first, and then to see whether it just can get higher. Oh my goodness! Wow, MU, you
Told you
are
I had a
crazy.
stop under 112.
Yeah,
Yeah. Um,
that still wants to be stronger.
BBAI is we can actually scalp it
Oh yeah.
around here. What's the number here? 8045. Basically, we are in that level. We have a stop like 15 cents. Risk reward almost 1 to 2 to the high. Let's see the volume. So it's okay. Yeah, I
Nice.
think I'm going to do it. Yeah. So I don't have time to write. I'm just, it's not far from there. That definitely will be the last rate.
Mm,
High of
mm,
the day, 830. Let's see. I think there was on the daily. I remember it got even higher. Yeah. High 872. We have like from last week.
mm.
After that, let's see. Yeah, we have. If it start to fly, there is that's not the problem.
Okay, at least my TSM is back, guys, so that's good. It's back to green. But unfortunately, MU is a loser now officially for me as well.
Okay, we have some resistance on 820 in BBAI.
Triple Q is breaking out. BBAI looks good.
Agi, no compliment, Agi.
I'm not going to.
Not today. It's a
Only
tough
when we
day.
have the
So
first
yeah.
first
After
partial
the
at
first
least.
partial, yeah. UPKA after the first partial, like today, it seems like something that it's pretty damn hard to do.
Yeah.
So
Which one? Level 2 ABT. Yeah, I see it looks like as a nice intraday breakdown, especially under 122. Volume is not the greatest anymore, so I don't know if there is enough steam left to push it lower, but doesn't look bad among these candidates at the moment. And on the TSM side, I want to see 246 for the first partial.
ABT has the earning. I didn't watch it. You know what? That's exactly. Let's see. Yeah, that was a good. Yeah, 122 down, looking not bad at all. Let's see the
Hmm.
daily, the volume. Even though, let me see, I want to check something about information about ABT. I think there was a lot of institutional in the past there.
It's
Yeah,
early
80%,
in the
very low
day.
share. So what can happen in ABT? I'm telling you what are my thought process on ABT. Um, got the gap down, got to certain area. Let's see if there was a support there on the daily. Yeah, yeah, definitely. Open the daily chart. You're gonna see like a few months ago the 120.85 area, something like this. There was some support. We broke it, and immediately you could see that the buyers came there. That's the area where you can see even if you have the volume open, there was like a big volume bars. Now the issue with ABT, yeah, it can trick you under 122, and but there was like a good bar, 5 bar volume bars. More consolidation, and it will go a little bit above the what's his name, the VWAP. That stock can be for both sides. Yeah.
Hmm. Yep.
So you see, there was a big 4 bar, 4 volume bars, and yeah, definitely it's a good candidate. Lots of volume. Probably the R volume is amazing today. Yeah, 6.6. R volume usually is something when I'm trading I have to see it above 3. If not, there's nothing special, and why should I be there?
Hmm.
So you have the R volume. Yeah, I can put it. It's a good candidate. Let's put it. Let's put it here. The chart. ABT.
It still looks maybe just for a scalp, but doesn't look bad. In the
Which
meantime,
one?
this
I,
ABT
ABT. Yeah.
Meta is looking stronger now. So this is what I'm checking too. Overall market, guys, it is just suffering here. Triple Q new highs, but definitely the strength is not like it was before. TSM double top, maybe. Let's see. It's closer to the entry now, but everything depends on this market, what it's going to be the next step. SRPT is getting back again.
I know. I see it. Yeah. There's no some technical there, so
And MU. Ah, I do not trust MU anymore, at least to the downside, especially with this strong market. Look
I
nice.
told you the psychology profile of
Oh
MU.
yeah,
Ugly people.
yeah, it is. It is definitely now. It's just making a hassle here again. Okay, traders. So I think we are just going to call it as a day.
Yeah, me too. There's nothing to be there.
Slow market. And no more triggers today. I mean, some FOMC member speakers. If Trump is not going to say something again, I don't know, fire the whole world at this time. I have no idea. Actually, yesterday he wanted to fire Powell.
Yeah, yeah.
In the morning, in the afternoon, he changed his mind. So
maybe he had a McDonald's, so he was happy. So then he's not firing him.
Happy Meal, right? No
Happy.
idea.
Maybe enlarge the Happy Meal.
No idea, guys, but this is just wow. Since 2025 is just comedy. TSM, I'm still going to leave it because it has not done anything wrong against me. But if it's breaking again the 244, I need to close it. Overall market is completely out of the picture now, like it's not doing too much. Not a huge moving day, despite of we had some economic news, did not mean too much. Tomorrow, though, let me just check what's coming tomorrow. On the economic front, Friday, 18th of July, consumer sentiment, housing starts, building permits, inflation expectations. So not bad, but again, no idea what to expect from this all-time high market environment. It's always tricky traders. I have traded some in my life already. I always found it hard to read sometimes and to trade. This is staying like that. It's just, um, past is not repeating itself, but it rhymes. It's very much true. From
What are you
market
talking
way,
about? What are you talking about
the
now?
all-time high environment, all-time
Oh,
high
okay.
environment. It's just, when lots of traders just set aside, they don't know what is going to happen, so they rather do not trade. Volume is lower, and so on.
No,
So yeah,
always. Agi, most of the time, you find, today, yeah, sometimes
mm,
it's happened, but
yeah,
most of the time you find the right stock, and you can find even if there's nothing happen in the market, you can do something. Sometimes not, like today, but
exactly,
when it's fine, yeah, what can you do?
exactly. You just need to keep your trades low and your loss. That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah. You have to risk management. That's the part when you're gonna be happy with your risk management. Yeah.
Exactly.
Um, think I what was the MUI first one I got half lost and SRPT after the reduce I had less than half, so it's one risk, and MU the second part was I think how much less than a quarter because
Mm-hmm.
I low my stop. So you have three losses, and it's probably one and a quarter risk unit, which is barely nothing.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
even the sky are not falling, even if you're not,
Yeah.
let's say, not seen correctly. So what? Keep your losses in a spoon, and the days earn in buckets. That's the
Mm.
key. That's the key.
Not always easy, but this is our goal to go.
Easy or not easy, this is the environment. If you want,
Yeah.
be in the environment. If not, do something else. Yeah.
Okay, traders. So I think we're just going to call it as a day. This was the TEFS Proprietary Trading Company's free trading room. We are going to go with you every day, at least me, and Amir is going to join me every Tuesdays and Thursday to support you, to get you great calls and insights. So thank you very much indeed. Yeah, Bricks
Welcome.
Coder, I like it as well. If you are interested in the funded account programs or challenges, please just check our website www.tefs.com, and of course with the top-notch education, which is just going to be rebuilt and remade by me. Indeed, in some months you will get more and more information coming about that, and personal coaching, VIP trading room subscription. So you get a lot with the education program and with the funded accounts. Please just check it out. And I hope you enjoyed the trading session. Also, this market was not very much enjoyable for me today. So far, it's in red, unfortunately. Next day it's coming. I'm going to keep my eye open. Maybe there will be some more announcement out of the blue again, which is going to move the market. You never know what's coming next. Thank you, Brix Schroeder. Thank you, Level 2. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thank you, Amir. That was a
Thank you,
really,
Aggie. I think
really
I'm gonna
great.
get a fruit salad now. I think it
Ah,
will.
yeah,
Yeah, I
that's
think
nice.
the best thing to do right now is go away for a few minutes or whatever. Fruit salad and everything looks good.
That sounds great, actually. So
See you
enjoy
next week,
it.
guys. Thank you, Aggie.
Thank you very much, Amir. See you next week then.
Bye bye.
And traders, bye. Take care. Traders, as always, I'm going to be here with you at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning and starting all over again with hopefully much better day. Very nasty day. I was hoping for a better day actually with this economic news, earnings on the deck, Trump firing Powell, doesn't firing Powell. So actually, Triple Q was good. I just could not find the best stocks. It's okay. Next time, next day, it's going to be much better with great opportunities. I'm going to wait for you again tomorrow at 9 a.m. If you like the stream, please just give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, then you are more than welcome to send me an email at agi@tefs.com. Thank you very much, traders. Beautiful calls as always. Alemu, Tara, Alex, fantastic. And I'm going to see you tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye.